Hi everyone! Welcome back to Talk to Me in Tagalog. I'm uploading a series of question and answer videos to our Tagalog English speaking practice playlist, starting with this one. These are dialogues that you can hear in actual Filipino conversations. I'll read the sentences slowly at first, and then I'll read them again at a conversational pace. Excuse me, marunong ka bang mag-English? Excuse me, marunong ka bang mag-English? Meaning, excuse me, do you speak English? Answer, oo, pero hindi gaano. Oo, pero hindi gaano. A little but not very well. Kumusta ka na? Kumusta ka na? How are you? Answer, mabuti naman. Ikaw? Mabuti naman. Ikaw? I'm good. And you? Please note that unlike in English, we don't say I'm good or I'm fine, thank you. Instead of saying thank you, we ask in return how the other person is doing as a polite gesture. Ikaw, how about you? How are you doing? Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Ako si Riza. Ikaw, anong pangalan mo? Ako si Riza. Ikaw, anong pangalan mo? I'm Riza. What's your name? Taga saan ka? Taga saan ka? Where are you from? Taga Carmona ako. Taga Carmona ako. I'm from Carmona. Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? How old are you? 30 anyos na ako. 30 anyos na ako. Meaning, I'm 30 years old. Or you may simply say, 30. 30. Ikaw. Meaning, 30. You? Anong trabaho mo? Anong trabaho mo? What do you do or what do you do for a living? Engineer ako. Ikaw? Engineer ako. Ikaw? I'm an engineer. You? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Where do you work? Sa pabrika sa Cavite. Sa pabrika sa Cavite. I work in a factory in Cavite. Kailan at saan ka ipinanganak? Kailan at saan ka ipinanganak? When and where were you born? Ipinanganak ako sa Maynila noong July 3, 1992. Ipinanganak ako sa Maynila noong July 3, 1992. I was born in Manila on July 3, 1992. Kailan ang birthday mo? Kailan ang birthday mo? When is your birthday? Sa May 8. Sa May 8. On May 8. Anong pangalan ng tatay mo? Anong pangalan ng tatay mo? What's your father's name? Eseng ang pangalan ng tatay ko. Eseng ang pangalan ng tatay ko. My father's name is Eseng. Saan ka nakatira? Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Sa Alsad ako nakatira. Sa Alsad ako nakatira. I live in Alsad. Anong address mo? Anong address mo? Meaning, what's your address? The answer to this question is simple. Just place the Tagalog preposition sa before your complete address. For example, sa 123 Alsad Street, Doha, or sa number 10 Downing Street, London. Our next question is, anong email address mo? Anong email address mo? What's your email address? Just say your email address and that's it. Anong cellphone number mo? The word cell phone is commonly used in the Philippines, so I suggest that you use it instead of the words mobile or handphone. Anong cellphone number mo? What's your cell phone number? Then you simply state your number. Next question is, may Facebook ka ba? May Facebook ka ba? Do you have Facebook or are you on Facebook? The short answer to this is, oo, meron ako, or oo, meron, meaning, yes, I have a Facebook account. Then you say your username. If you don't use Facebook, you can say, wala. Wala akong Facebook. No, I don't have a Facebook account. May boyfriend ka na ba? May boyfriend ka na ba? Meaning, do you have a boyfriend? Or may girlfriend ka na ba? Do you have a girlfriend? Answer, oo, meron na. Or oo, meron. Yes, I have a boyfriend. Or wala pa. Wala pa. No, I don't have a girlfriend. May asawa ka na ba? May asawa ka na ba? Are you married? Oo, meron na. Oo, meron na. Yes, I'm married. Or wala pa. Wala pa. No, I'm single. May mga anak ka na ba? May mga anak ka na ba? Do you have kids or do you have any children? Oo, meron na. Yes, I have kids. Or wala pa. No, I don't have kids. Ilan ang anak mo? Ilan ang anak mo? How many kids do you have? Dalawa ang anak ko. Dalawa ang anak ko. Meaning, I have 2 kids. Or, wala akong anak. Wala akong anak. I don't have kids. Ano-ano ang mga hobbies mo? Ano-ano ang mga hobbies mo? What are your hobbies? Mahilig akong mag-bake, tsaka magluto. Tsaka is a non-standard Filipino word. It's the contraction or shortening of the words at and saka. It's a slangy way of saying and or as well as. Tsaka. Mahilig akong mag-bake tsaka magluto. I like baking and cooking. Saan ka galing? Saan ka galing? Where have you been? Galing ako sa palengke. Galing ako sa palengke. I was in the market or I just came back from the market. Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? Kina JJ. Kina JJ. I'm going to JJ's place. Ano to? Ano to is the short form of ano ito. Ano to? What's this? Answer: walis tingting to. Walis tingting to. This is a broomstick. Ano yan? Ano yan is the short form of ano iyan. Ano yan? What's that? The answer to this question is also walis tingting to. Next, ano yon? Ano yon is the short form of ano iyon. Ano yon? What's that over there? Ano yon is used to ask if the speaker and the person spoken to are both far from the object that they are talking about. And the answer is walis tingting yon. Walis tingting yon. That's a broomstick. Anong ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa mo? What are you doing? Nakikipag-usap sa'yo. Nakikipag-usap sa'yo. I'm talking to you. Masama ba ang pakiramdam mo? Masama ba ang pakiramdam mo? Meaning, are you feeling under the weather? Hindi. Okay lang ako. Hindi okay lang ako. Meaning, no, I'm okay. Or, oo, hindi maganda ang pakiramdam ko. Oo, hindi maganda ang pakiramdam ko. Yes, I'm not feeling well. Anong petsa ngayon? Anong petsa ngayon? What's the date today? October 1st ngayon. October 1st ngayon. Today is October 1st. Anong araw ngayon? Anong araw ngayon? What day is it? Lunes ngayon. Lunes ngayon. It's Monday today or today is Monday. Marami ka bang ginagawa ngayon? Marami ka bang ginagawa ngayon? Are you busy right now? Oo, tambak ang trabaho ko. Oo, tambak ang trabaho ko. Meaning, yes, I'm swamped with work. Kailangan mo ba ng tulong? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong? Do you need help? Hindi. Kaya ko pa naman. Salamat. Hindi, kaya ko pa naman. Salamat. No, I can manage. Thanks. Gusto mo ba ng kape? Gusto mo ba ng kape? Do you want some coffee? Hindi ako umiinom ng kape. Tubig na lang. Hindi ako umiinom ng kape. Tubig na lang. I'm not a coffee drinker or I don't drink coffee. I'll just have water. Kilala mo ba si Alma? Kilala mo ba si Alma? Do you know Alma? Oo, kilala ko siya. Oo, kilala ko siya. Meaning, yes, I know her. Or, hindi, sino yon? Hindi, sino yon? No, I don't. Who's that? Kaibigan mo ba si Mimi? Kaibigan mo ba si Mimi? Are you friends with Mimi? Short answer is oo, yes. Or, hindi, kaaway ko siya. Hindi, kaaway ko siya. No, she's my enemy.